In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Squarespace website. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth transition. Let's begin. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace login page. If you're not there yet, take a moment to do so. Once you've reached the page, look for the login option and click on it. This is where you'll begin accessing your account to initiate the transfer. Next, Squarespace offers a convenient option to continue with Google, which can simplify the login process if you've previously linked your account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Make sure you're selecting an account that's already associated with the Squarespace site you're transferring. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll see a list of your Squarespace websites. Click on the website you're planning to transfer. This will take you to the main dashboard of your site where you can access various administrative functions. Now that you're in the website's management area, your next step will be navigating to the settings. In the dashboard, locate and click on Settings. This is usually found in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and is marked by a gear icon. Within the settings menu, you'll see a range of options you can manage. We're interested in permissions and ownership, so go ahead and click on it. This is an important section where you manage users and ownership, so approach these changes cautiously. After clicking into permissions and ownership, you will have another opportunity to confirm this choice. You might see an additional button or tab labeled similarly, so click on permissions and ownership once more if prompted. This double step ensures you're accessing the correct features. Now that you're in the right place, look for the option that says Transfer Ownership and click on it. At this point, Squarespace will direct you to confirm your identity once more to safeguard your account, thus prompting you yet again to click on Continue with Google. Upon doing this, you'll be presented with your Google accounts. Select the account you used in the earlier step, the one that is linked to your Squarespace website. Once you've clicked on your desired Google account, proceed and follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the transfer process. That's it. Once you complete these steps, ownership of your Squarespace website will be transferred accordingly. Remember, make sure both parties are aware of the transition and that the new owner has the necessary login information to access the site moving forward. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.